the training from the drone boss. It was excellent. I'm telling you this because I've never heard of such things before. I never knew that you can use drones to make money, and it was very interesting. And I would recommend it to anybody to take this course. This is a way that you could get out of the rut. This is a way that you can start your business pretty quick. They tell you everything that you need to do from point A to point B, point C, and for more. And you can do it too. I believe this is what is necessary in order to be successful, and they give you every piece of information. You have no excuse, and I will share it with anybody I come in contact with, and I will get their opinion as well and show them where they can also be successful. You can feed your family, and I think everybody can use your services once you start this business, including mine. So I want to thank you for listening. Hey, it's the way to go. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.